he has hair, look. Welcome to Warning League.
What are we doing?
We're cutting spaghetti, but this man wants to eat it.
Yeah, he's eating it.
Eat.
Be careful with the scissors, okay? Ooh.
He has to wash his, brush his teeth. His teeth is all clean. He says, let's get started. Let's get started.
Good job. Can you cut some of them?
Yum, yum.
Oh, careful with the scissors, okay? Careful, careful. Woo! Good job.
He loves it. He's eating it.
Yeah? Can you show me a really, really long piece of spaghetti? And can you show me a short piece of spaghetti? Little, tiny, small.
Like this one.
Aw, it's so tiny and it's so big. What are those? Long and short is?
Opposites.
Opposites.
He's trying to eat all the spaghetti. I need to brush his teeth. Yes. Yum. And the other side. And there. Now his choo-choo is finished. It's getting on my pants.
It's okay. What does spaghetti feel like?
No.
Kind of squishy.
He's trying to eat it.
Be careful. Don't get your hand.
I need him to eat this part of spaghetti. And then he can have more. Get your stick shiny. He ate it all of it. This is his body, okay? This is his body.
Okay.
He's getting tired. So let's brush his teeth. His bed is right here. Bed mac and cheese coop. You just need to sleep.
You're putting the scissors to bed.
The scissors to bed.
Night scissors.
Okay. His name is Saza.
Saza?
But his name is Scissors.
That's a pretty good name for scissors.
But his name is Scissors. His name is Scissors. Now we need him to smell the food. Mac and cheese! Yum, yum, yum!
How do you hold the scissors really safe? Can you show me? Nope. How do you hold them safely? Perfect. Watch your fingers. Good job.
I'm going to use all of this mac and cheese get his bed ready.
Is that mac and cheese or is that spaghetti?
Spaghetti. Spaghetti. And now, hey, go to bed with scissors. That's spaghetti in there. I'm gonna wash his hands first. Okay. Time to try.
Do you like to eat spaghetti?
Yes, chomp, chomp.
Careful with your fingers.
Chomp, chomp, chomp. You make spaghetti, okay? This is your spaghetti.
How do you make spaghetti?
You just make spaghetti.
You just make spaghetti? Do you boil it on the stove?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they start out as really long, rough pieces, like hard pieces. And you put them in on the stove and you cook them down and they become squishy.
Okay.
So you can eat them.
Pretend that is your grill and you're waking up this man.
Okay. Scissors. Time for breakfast.
He's not waking up.
He's not waking up. Wake up. Wake up. Oh, is he grumpy in the mornings?
He wants to go to sleep again.
Oh, he's still tired. I made you spaghetti for breakfast.
I won't eat that if I go to bed one more time. Wake him up again.
Okay. Scissors, it's time to wake up.
He's grumpy.
He's grumpy. Who else is grumpy in the morning?
Me. Me. Just me.
Wake up, Scissors. It's time for school.
It's time for breakfast.
Time for breakfast and then school.
I need to brush my teeth.
Oh, he's going to brush his teeth. Okay, we're going to keep cutting spaghetti. Thanks for playing with us. We'll see you next time.
Now he has to take a bath. He has to take a bath.
Bye.
Take a bath.